Let's go look. Sí, en esa no está parte del reloj. Daniel?
Yes.
You gotta type
I have paper.
AutoZone.
Yeah. Paper. Here, give me. Let me see. You have a pen. I'll send you the footage,
See it.
so you can see your own.
Oh, I'm gonna
Are you getting her?
I
Are you?
I got it.
You got her?
That's funny. I'm gonna show my students.
Wait. You have a pen? You have students?
I'll be like,
Okay.
yeah, this is my part-time. I work at a high school.
Okay. You work at high school? Email or phone number?
Or do you want to do my IG?
Okay. What's your ID?
GR.
Stay in the clip. Her students are gonna love her. This is not good. So when you break down, Jeep Jack is stuck.
You really think if I broke down on the road, I'd be doing this? No, I'd be calling AAA or whatever.
What is wrong with your Jeep? Is this a common problem? Okay, look, that's the old one. It's the old brake pad. There's my phone. There's YouTube.
Show you how to do front brake service on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler.
So we're gonna do the same process on this other side. This one now. Right now it is 240. See how long it takes me. Let's start with the bleeder valve first. Let's see what it's saying. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Okay. Take out these are 13 millimeters. My 2 bolts right here. Okay. Loosen these ones. Now I should be able to take this off. Two 21 millimeters. Yes. Yes. Set aside. This is gonna come out. I'm gonna put some anti-seize. Okay. Paint it up like an artist. This is probably the most fun part of this whole thing. It feels like arts and crafts here. I don't have all of the mechanic lingo, but whatever this is, I'm gonna put this thing on this right here, and these holes line up with these bolts. Okay. Our brake pad bracket. Okay. These things out. I got fresh ones. Out. 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 Trash. Discard. Look at these shiny. Look at these shiny babies. Why was that so hard, dude? Why was that so hard? And like this. 21 back in. See, now it's flat. Now, okay. Our 13 millimeters back in. Cap back on the bleeder valve. Time is 3:30. 50 minutes.